Sup everybody, Logan here, stock investor aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're going over the OAX token. OAX is the name of the token. That's also the ticker symbol for this token. We're going to go over the information on this token and how you can get it in just 1 second. But before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt. Always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps. You can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that, just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us, so check them out in the description box. Let's get into this video here. The OAX token. So their official webpage is oax.org. This is an Ethereum token. So basically, if you wanted to buy this token, you would simply, well, let me see if it's actually listed on Uniswap first before I tell you that way. So if you look on CoinMarketCap, it actually doesn't say Uniswap. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to click their Etherscan, check on there, and if I see any Uniswap swaps, then that means it is listed on Uniswap. Sometimes CoinMarketCap doesn't tell you that it is listed on Uniswap when it is. Looks like it's on 1inch and Binance, it says here, because I see those swaps on yeah, I don't see Uniswap on here for a Ethereum token. I don't see yeah, okay. Anyway, it looks like it's just on centralized exchanges, and oh, I see it on Dodo. I see a Dodo swap there. There's 2,079 swaps, so I was just going through the first few pages there. But anyways, there is a few different ways you can get this token according to CoinMarketCap. You can get it on Binance, which is a huge, site. I mean, you can't use that when you're in Ontario, which is a bummer. So maybe you can get it off Dodo or 1inch or one of these other places. If you are in Ontario or certain places in the world, you cannot use Binance. You can also not use Gate, and that's also listed on Gate. And so both of those on Gate and Binance, it's paired with Bitcoin. So you just fund your Binance or Gate account with Bitcoin and then search OAX in the trade section and then buy the token that way. It's also paired with USDT on Gate. And you can also get it on CoinDCX. Never heard of it, but it's paired with Bitcoin on there as well. I mean, you could always try Uniswap, but I mean, why transfer your Ethereum all around when you don't need to? You might pay gas fees if you're doing that. But yeah, those are the places it has listed here on CoinMarketCap is Binance, Gate, and CoinDCX. It looks like it's on, yeah, Dodo and a couple other swaps there according to their Etherscan. Now, just according to their Etherscan, also, they have 6,668 holders so far. 51,000 transfers. Max total supply of this token is 100 million tokens. They have 18 decimal places. Also on their Etherscan, they have a blog, Medium articles listed on here. They have a Reddit, Twitter, Bitcoin Talk, GitHub, Telegram, full white paper, CoinGecko, and CoinMarketCap listed on their Etherscan. So they also, if you look at CoinMarketCap, they also have a audit by SlowMist, and you can click on the SlowMist audit right off CoinMarketCap and review it from there if you want to. So this token's been in the top gainer section a couple days. I've seen it this week. It's been in there. Today it's up 62.12%. It's doing very well. Token price is sitting at 30.6 cents per token. So if you go over to their official webpage here, it says developing and promoting a sustainable digital asset ecosystem for the future. Oaks Foundation believes that the future is shaped by the work done today. Explore our vision and the work being done within this space. Openness, trustlessness, and strong governance are the foundations that will enable digital assets to flourish in today's highly complex and regulated financial world. And that is a quote from the co-founder of Oaks Foundation. So the Oaks highlights, it's got Oaks DeFi parachain features, Developed for the Polkadot network-based parachains. Explore 5 features that were developed by Oaks. Also has Oaks Layer 2 protocol. Released August 2019, the Layer 2 solution L2X focuses on addressing scalability, dispute resolution, and more of the decentralized exchanges. Then we have Oaks Community and Research. Beyond development internally, support the industry is key. Explore the work we've done with Professor Siren Johnstone in exploring regulations within this space. So they have a roadmap on here. It looks like they started way back in June 2021 with their business milestone. Oaks Foundation signs MOU with IJS Technologies for the promotion and corporation of DeFi adoption, community education, and technology advancement. Then in April, they had the summary of the joint AMA with IGS Technologies, mainly featuring aspects of the grant provided to the IGS team and current progress on the DeFi swap platform. Then Oaks tokens are now available on as a wrapped BEP20 standard, allowing users to explore the potential of exchanges that sit on the Binance Smart Chain network, and that was in April 2021. Then in all the way back in December 2020, it says Oaks Foundation announces a grant given to IGS Technologies for their community-driven open source swap platform. Looks like this map is going backwards for some reason. I don't think they have an updated roadmap. That's the problem here. It goes backwards because their roadmap basically ends in June 2021. I thought it would go forward to 2022, but it looks like they haven't updated it in a while. So we'll just go backwards, I guess. So in August 2020, it says the official release of the code for the 5 features that would benefit parachains on the Polkadot network, open source and available on the Oaks GitHub page. Before that, they had AMAs. I mean, it's kind of a lot of AMAs and stuff. It's not really important stuff to go backwards there. So they have contact information at the bottom of their page there. You can contact them if you want. Now, if you go over to their Twitter, is at Oaks_Foundation. They do have 16,000 followers, so they're doing very well. But yeah, lately this token's been taken off. I've been seeing it in the top gainer section a couple days this week. Today it's up 60%. So Oaks Foundation was created to explore the future of decentralized exchanges and address their 4 main shortcomings: speed, scalability, interoperability, and trust. So let's see, their last tweet looks like it was from around September 14th. September 15th. No, they retweeted something September 17th. Yeah, so they're still very active on Twitter. So this project is still, in the works and stuff going on. They just need to update their roadmap on their webpage, it looks like. But they're very active on Twitter here. 2,689 tweets, and they just tweeted yesterday. So give them a follow on Twitter to see what's going on. They are taking off lately in the charts. And you can review their full white paper, which is also listed on their Etherscan if you want to. Now, I am not a financial advisor, so leave a comment down there. What do you guys think about this token? Do you think it's a good investment or not? Make sure you guys like this video, subscribe for daily crypto videos where I go over the newest coins and tokens and what their info and utility is. And check out all the referral codes down there in the description box. Get yourself some free crypto. Thanks for watching, everybody. Y'all have a great day out there. Peace out.